Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Buzz Hacks. So today we will be covering the topic how to create WordPress plugin with ChatGPT. So firstly, let's understand what are WordPress plugins and what are its importance. Plugins are reusable piece of software which can be developed to extend the capabilities of WordPress to add specific functionalities and features. Usage of such plugins helps in saving time and would not even require coding expertise. Also, it is very easy to use and provide modularity to your project. Today we want to make a WordPress plugin which looks like this. It will be able to count the frequency of the entered keywords in the descending order. So we will be using the following prompt. I want to create a WordPress website plugin which can be applied a short code in page or post. This will have an input text box where text will be entered by the user. On click of count words button, it will count the frequency of the words input by the user and display the result in a descending order. The output should be a PHP file which I can use to create a test plugin and then use it to make test page by adding shortcode on page. Please provide the PHP code in a single file. I have shared this prompt in the video description. Now let's paste this prompt in ChatGPT and let it come up with the code. Let's wait for a few seconds. Yeah, so it is done now. Let's copy the code and paste it in Notepad and save this file as wordcounterplugin.php. So this name is already given by ChatGPT itself. We can see here in chat wordcounterplugin.php. After saving this PHP file, we'll right click and compress to zip file to make it a zip file. Now let's go to taste WP. It will help us in building test website without the need of login or sign up. Now click on set it up. The test website is building for you. Click on access it now. Now let's go to plugins, add new, scroll up, click on upload plugin and upload the zip file that we have created. Click on install now. After installation is done, we will activate this plugin. Now we'll go to the pages and add a new page. We will write the title of the page, whatever we want, and then click on the plus sign on the top and write short code in the field. Now choose the name which is being provided by the ChatGPT in brackets. So here we can see word counter. Copy it with brackets without quotes. Now paste this in this field and publish the page. After it is published, we can view the page. Now we can see how our website looks like. Now we can write anything over here. So let's write something. Hi, this is BuzzHat's channel. We provide you learning opportunities in tech area. We BuzzHats are proud of tech related content. Please follow BuzzHats. Now click on count words. Now you will be able to see the results. See, tech is having frequency 2. Similarly, BuzzAds is having frequency 2. In the input, we have written the BuzzAds 3 times, but once it is written with B in caps. So we can further use the prompt to exclude or include such cases. We can also improve the prompt to include or exclude prepositions, etc. to make further enhancement. We can also make the order as ascending. We can also make our output look more beautiful by adding a simple line in the prompt. Please make the output more beautiful. Now we will repeat the same process again. Let's copy the code and put it in Notepad again. And we will just save this time. We will not use save as. Now let's go where it is saved. Let's delete the old zip file and create a new zip file from the new PHP code. Now let's go to Taste WP homepage by clicking on W in the leftmost top. So go to plugin, add new plugin, click on upload plugin and upload the zip file that we have created. It will ask to replace the current file with the uploaded file. Now, also this time activation is not required as it is already activated. So you can see in the plugin installers that it is already activated. Now go to pages, add new. So we already have our old page. We will add new page now. Again, write the title of the page, whatever you want. Then click on plus sign and write short code in the field. And then choose the name which was being provided by the ChatGPT, that is in brackets, word counter. Copy from here. Now let's publish it and view the page. So it's looking better now. Now let's write something over here. Hey, Buzzhats is back with new plugin. Follow Buzzhats to know more about such plugin. Now let's click on count words and you will be able to see the results in an improved experience. In this video, I have used AI PRM extension of Google in ChatGPT, which can be easily installed by searching on Google. But without it too, ChatGPT will give the same results. So this step is optional. Now you will be able to build more plugins required for WordPress using ChatGPT from this method. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Also don't forget to subscribe our channel for more such videos. Thank you.